Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can fix low memory warning on Roblox error code 292. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So there's a couple of reasons why your Roblox is having that issue. So the first thing that I know is because you're running out of memory. Now to check your memory, just go ahead and open your file explorer right here and then just click this PC in here. Now you can see I still have a lot of storage, and since you're receiving that error, yours might be color red or you're running out of storage, something like that. The second part is to clear some data of your Roblox. To do that, go ahead and hit Window R key, just like this, and then it will pop this window. And then just go ahead and search for percentage temp and then percentage, and then hit OK. Once inside, just go ahead and search for Roblox. You can just scroll down like this or click on one of these and then press R. It's here, so just right click on this and then delete this folder. Now don't worry about losing your data because this is just a temporary file. The third step is to go ahead and check your background apps because you might be running a lot of stuff in your background, so you might want to check it out. To do that, just right click on your taskbar like this and then hit Task Manager. And once you're here, you can see a lot of stuff in here. Now you can end task a lot of these, for example, Google Chrome, Opera GX, or if you have multiple apps in your device, you can also end task that and check if it fixed the problem. Now the third method is to go ahead and reinstall your Roblox. To do that, just press the window button and then search for uninstall or remove programs. And then once you're here, go ahead and search for Roblox. And here you can see mine, and then just click this three dots right here and then hit uninstall. And then after that, go ahead and reinstall the Roblox from their website. Alternatively, you can go to Microsoft Store and then you can install the Roblox from here. So that's all the methods that I know. I hope those works. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.